Okay, in today's exercise, we are going to draw a house. Here is your house. The dimensions are given to you. There is a criteria for how it will be scored. And this is our project till the end of the year. To begin this project, you need to open up the DWT file, wherever you saved it, that says STLCC-Art 154 Final. So when you open up this template, you'll see the layers, some blocks I've given you. There's the layers. And once you open this up, save it. So you want to save it as, I don't know, project to F final. Put your initials, whatever you call it. You can just call it final if you want, house final, but put your initials in there. Do save as. Make sure it's a DWG. I'm going to call it house final. HMT. Please put your initials in there. So now you've opened, and we're going to start this drawing in this square, just so it's easier for you to find it. So if we go back, let's look at the project. You can see it's 36 by 81 feet 6 inches. So you basically have a rectangle. So let's start with that. Okay, so we're going to go to our layer properties, and we're going to go on the wall layer, make that current so that we don't have to change it later. We'll go to the rectangle command, pick a point. I'm going to put in our dimensions. Horizontal dimensions go first, 8 feet 6 inches by 36 feet. There is the outside walls of our house. Outside walls and plumbing walls tend to be larger than your standard house walls. So we're going to go with 6 inches for our outside wall. There's our 6-inch wall. Okay, great. You have started your house. So as we begin drafting this house, let's go from this corner around to the kitchen. So from the bedroom to the kitchen. So we're going to start with this bedroom. You may notice that this bedroom and this bedroom are mirror images of each other. They're exactly the same. One's on this side, one's on that side. So let's go back over here. I will preface this, before we begin this drafting, you need to make the blocks of your door and your window. I can put that in a separate video if you need it. Okay, so we're going to draw this bedroom first. So if you look at the dimensions of the bedroom, so let's look at the dimensions of the bedroom. Let's zoom in here. So remember, this and this are mirror images of each other. So I gave you a little slightly different measurements for this than for this, but we'll be able to figure this out. So we know it's 10 feet 10 inches to the closet, a 4-inch wall, and then 2 feet. So let's start with that. Okay, so let's go down here. I'm going to explode this inside wall. Okay, that way I can offset off that wall. This outer wall is still a polyline, but these are individual lines. So we're going to offset this wall 10 feet, 10 inches. Oh, hold on, that didn't go in right. Do it again. 10 feet, 10 inches. So we're going to offset that wall. This is now going to become the outside of the closet. I'm going to offset 4 inches for the wall depth. I didn't type it in right. Let's do this again. 4 inches. Okay. 4 inches. That's for the depth of the wall that makes up the closet. The closet is 2 feet deep. So we're going to go 2 feet. Make sure I get that to 2. Oh, because I'm hitting the wrong. Hold on. 2 feet. And then the next wall is again 4 inches. This is the wall that divides the bedroom to the bathroom. All right, so now we need to draw the wall, this wall over here, that divides the bedroom from the great room and the rest of the house. So we're going to go offset 15 feet. Feet. Keep hitting the wrong key. Okay, and 4 inches. Okay, so now we have this start of our bedroom. Doesn't look like a bedroom yet, but it will. So we're going to offset that wall, this inner wall again, to create the inside wall of your bathroom. So if you look at the dimensions, right, we've done this wall, that was the 10-10, the depth of the wall, the 2 feet, and the 15. Remember, these are both the same. If you look at the dimension of the bathroom, it's 9 feet, and this all aligns, okay? So we're going to offset. Sometimes you got to do some critical thinking when you look at dimensions, right? 9 feet. Come on, 9 feet. And then we're going to do our 4 inch. No, we're not. 4 inch. There we go. Okay, so now you might look at this and not see that bedroom, but it really is there. Okay, so let's look at this. I'm going to pull this down.